Oh yeah, baby. Uncle Daddy. Oh, that's awesome. Huh? Right here. It's coming over right now. That's awesome. Holy shit, that's a flame. Oh, that is about bad. Man, that's bad. Holy shit. I got goosebumps, man. Shit, that's bad. Oh, man. Now he's gonna go to the base, turn around, and come this way. Well, I got 200 pictures.
Still recording it.
You got a video, G?
Ah.